Just a quick video on how to change the toner in a Pantum P2502W laser printer. First, you're going to want to close the top tray, and you'll notice there's a little tab here that you lift up on, which will open the door to the toner cartridge area. From there, there's a handle here that you grab, and you kind of pull up on it, and it'll kind of rotate upwards out like this. And when you put in your new toner cartridge, you want to kind of gently shake it back and forth a few times just in case the toner is settled. And once you've done that, you put it back in with these little notches lining up with the groove in the side. So you slide it down like that, and it kind of rotates into the back like so. Once you're done, all you have to do is close the cover and lift up the paper tray, and you should be good to go. It will do a little quick cycle just to check everything, but otherwise it's that simple. So hope that's helpful, and thanks for watching.